Most businesses think they're protected because they have backups, but there's one question that matters more than whether a backup exists. Can it actually be restored? Because when disaster strikes, assumptions become expensive, and many organizations discover their backup strategy wasn't nearly as reliable as they thought. Here's an uncomfortable truth: a backup you've never tested isn't really a backup, it's a guess. And most businesses don't discover it was a bad guess until the worst possible moment: when systems go down, when files disappear, or when ransomware locks everything up. That's when recovery becomes more important than backup. The numbers are alarming. According to industry research, roughly 1 out of every 3 data restores fails when it's actually needed. And the impact goes far beyond technology. After a major disaster, many small businesses never fully recover. Others close their doors within a year. This isn't just an IT issue, it's a business continuity issue. And for many organizations, it's a survival issue. Here's a common cybersecurity misconception: backups and recovery are not the same thing. A backup is a copy of your data. Recovery is how quickly and completely you can restore it when something goes wrong. That's why every business should know its RTO, how fast systems must be restored, and RPO, how much data loss is acceptable. If you don't know those numbers, start there. One of the most effective backup strategies is the 3-2-1 rule: 3 copies of your data on 2 different media types, with 1 copy stored offsite. Many organizations now follow the 3-2-1-1-0 model, adding 1 immutable backup and 0 untested restores. The goal is simple: reliable recovery when it matters most. Why is backup testing so important? Because a backup is only valuable if it actually works. Organizations without tested recovery plans often face longer outages, higher costs, and greater business risk. The faster you can recover, the faster your business can get back to normal. Quick FAQ: can ransomware encrypt backups? Yes, that's why immutable and air-gapped backups matter. How often should backups run? Daily at a minimum. Critical systems may require hourly or continuous backups. How long does recovery take? Anywhere from minutes to days, depending on the environment and recovery plan. Here's the bottom line: having a backup isn't the goal. Being able to recover is. The 3-2-1 rule helps ensure your data exists in multiple places. Regular testing ensures those backups actually work. Because when disaster happens, confidence isn't enough. You need certainty. At Uprite, we help businesses build recovery strategies, not just backups. From monitored backups and restore testing to immutable cloud storage and recovery planning, we help ensure your data is ready when you need it. Not sure your backups would work in a crisis? Now is the time to find out. Click the link below to schedule an assessment.